Hello dear students, welcome to this rank up series, and today's subject is PERT CPM. Already we have completed strength of materials, we have completed RCC and surveying. Okay, so you can see that classes I have given the PDFs in my telegram group as well, and for other subjects like soil, PERT CPM, hydrology, highway we'll be taking in the next days. Every day the class will be at 8 p.m. on YouTube. Please share the session with all your friends and like the session as well. Those who are watching me for the first time, let me introduce myself, guys. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi in Geotechnical Engineering. Got All India rank 164 in 2012. You have to score a better rank than this. Okay. Now moving forward, guys. This is my Telegram group. Already more than 6,000 plus students have joined. I'll be providing the PDF in this Telegram group only. These are the schedule, guys. We have completed some FM soil will be taking in a few days. Surveying is we have completed. RCC we have completed. PERT CPM is today. Hydrology, engineering mechanics, highway will be in the next few days at 8 p.m. All those students who are preparing for GATE 2025, they can take our crash course with rupees 4,000. What you have to do now? On the Play Store, you have to go on the search option. In the search option, you have to write resultant civil. You have to write resultant civil. Okay, on the Play Store, like you can write resultant civil and download the app. You can see us on the website also, www.ce.resultant.in. Okay, for if you want to connect us on WhatsApp me, you can 93549 16360, or you can mail me any your doubt or query at abhinav@resultant.in. Okay, so this is the first question. This has been asked in GATE 2016 in 2 mark question. This has been asked in GATE 2016 into Anjan, Anantma, Sachin, everyone, guys. A warm welcome to each of you commandos. Come on, hit this. What is the expected time? This is a series project. So I hope you know that TE is equal to T naught plus 4 TM plus pessimistic time TP divided by 6. So for EF, how to calculate TE? It is T naught, optimistic time, plus 4 into TM, 40, plus TP is 14 divided by 6. So 54 plus 8, 62 by 6. Okay, so what is answer? I have already calculated for you so that the time will be less. Come on, everyone. What is it coming? Is it 10.33? Is it 10.33? 10.33 TE value for here. Similarly, you can do here as well. 6 plus 4 into 8 plus 11 by 6. So here the TE value will be 8.166. Please calculate. Here the TE value will be 7.166, and here the TE value will be 12.166. As this project is in series, not parallel, so the completion time TE of total project is 10.33 plus 8.166 plus 7.166 plus 12.166, and please check, is it coming 37.83 days? 37.83 days. Hi Anna, Sakshi, everyone, please confirm. Please confirm, everyone. Is it coming 37.83 days? Great. Let us move to the next question. This has been asked in GATE 2021 in 2 mark question. Excellent question, guys. See, this question you can divide in 2 parts. And equipment has been purchased for rupees 16,000. Sorry, 1,60,000, and estimated a salvage value of 10,000. Salvage value means after the life of 5 years, if you want to throw this, then the value you will be getting only 10,000. Okay. Now the difference in the book values. Book values means the value after a particular year. So what is the difference in book values? Because every year it will be depreciated, na? From 1,60,000 it has reached to 10,000. So the book value you have to calculate after the 4 years. from a straight line method. Straight line method means simple, yeah, simple arithmetic. It is decreasing linearly. From that you have to calculate a value. Suppose that the value be x, and you have to calculate the depreciated value after 4 years from a sum of year digit methods. So let that value will be y, and you have to find out the difference in the book values. So your answer will be x minus y. What is x? What is x? X is the value after 4 years from straight line method. And what is y? Y is the value after 4 years from sum of year digit method. Now x is very easy, yeah. X is very easy. Straight line method, na. So 1,60,000 is the cost, and after 5 years, the cost is 10,000. So that means 1,50,000 depreciation. 1,50,000 depreciation. 1,50,000 depreciation. Depreciation in 5 years. In 5 years. So it is a straight line method. So linearly decreasing. So every year depreciation is 1,50,000 by 5. That means 30,000. So after 4 years, depreciation is 30 into 4, 1,20,000. So x value will be, what is x? After 4 years, value x is equal to, initially it is 1,50,000, and now subtract 1,20,000 depreciation. So it is 30,000. No, let me check. It 30,000. So it is 30 into 4 will be 1,20,000. So it is 1,60,000 initially. 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 minus 1,20,000. Depreciated 1,20,000. So x value is 40,000. X value is 40,000. Got it? So x is 40,000. Now how to calculate y? Because x is very easy here. Now y is the sum of year digit methods. So now how y is calculated now? For y there is a formula that you should be remembering, that depreciation in any year is CI, initial cost, minus CS, salvage cost, into n minus m plus 1 upon n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula. Now how to use, let me tell you. Suppose I want depreciation in the first year. So initial cost is 1,60,000. 1 lakh, this is 60. Let me rub it and make it in a better writing. Guys, this is the question which requires patience. Minus 10,000. Minus 10,000. N is number of years. That is 5. And M is, we want depreciation in the first year, na? 1 plus 1. N is 5. 5 plus 1 upon 2. So this denominator will always be 5 into 6 by 2. So this denominator because n will always be constant 5. So denominator is 5 into 6 by 2. So this is always 15 for this particular problem. So from here guys, the D1 depreciation in the first year you will be getting as 50,000. So what is the book value? Book value, this is D1. Book value after first year is 1,60,000. Minus depreciation in the first year is 50,000. It is 1,10,000. Okay. Now similarly you have to do now for the second year. Let me do for the second year as well. Now I want D2. So it is again this formula, CI minus CS. CI minus CS is 1,50,000 into N. N is 5, and I want now in the second year. So M will be 2 plus 1. Denominator is 15. So this D2 value you will be getting as 40,000. So what is the book value? So earlier, now the value is 1,10,000. 1,10,000 depreciated from 40,000. So now it is 70,000. Now it is 70,000. Similarly, you do this process, and let me be little down now, so you can see. Similarly, the D4 value na, from here, the B3 value you will be similarly you are doing na. So B3 value you will be getting 40,000. So book value after third year, and D4 value depreciation in the fourth year will be getting 20,000. Okay, I hope you are able to see. Let me go little down. B3 book value after third year is 40,000. Depreciation in the fourth year is 20,000. So that means book value after fourth year. After the fourth year, the value will be 40,000, which is the value after third year, and it is depreciated by 20,000. So the book 4 value will be 20,000. So from this sum of year digit method, the value of the machine or the equipment is now 20,000. So the answer will be 20,000. Have you understood? Have you understood how to calculate this formula? I have done for 2 years. You have to continuously do it and get the answer. Please give me yes or no. Please give me yes or no, everyone. Everyone, please. Everyone, please. Have you understood or not? Okay, okay. Now next question. The project activities are given in the following table along with the duration and dependency. So activity P has duration this much, not depending on anything. That means these are the first activities. Q has this much, R has this much duration, S has this much, and T has this much. So first of all, let us make the network diagram. From here we have to make the network diagram. I have drawn it here also, so you can have a diagram in a clear page. So P and Q are the first activities. P, because they are not depending on anything, having 10 days and 12 days. Okay, then after that R is an activity which is depending on P, and R has a duration of 5 days, and T is an activity which is depending on P and Q, and S is an activity which is depending on Q only. So S is depending on Q only, it is of 10 days. Correct? Yes or no? Okay, there is activity T also which is depending on P and Q both. There is activity T which is depending on P and Q both. To avoid the grammatical error, we have to make a dummy. To avoid the grammatical error, we have to make a dummy 10. Now, what the question is saying, come back. Total duration of the project and critical path. Total duration and critical path. Okay. So this is 10 days. Suppose we are starting from here 0, we will be reaching here 10, we will be reaching here 12. So from here it is 10, from here it is 12. So of course it will be 12. 10 plus 5 will be 17, 12 plus 10 will be 22, and 12 plus 10 will be 22. So we will be taking the larger value 22. So total duration of project is 22 days. 20 is wrong, 20 is wrong. 22 days. And this longest path is the critical path, na? This longest path is coming from this way, 12 plus 10, that is QS. Okay, or from this also we'll be getting 22 only. So QS and QT are the critical paths. QS and QT. So QT will be correct, but here 20 days is wrong. So this is the correct answer, that is option number A. Chaitu, from B4 value na, B4 is the value after fourth year. So from this method, the value after 4 years is 20,000, and from this method is 40,000. From this method is 20,000. So 40 minus 20 will be equal to 20. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Everyone, please. Enjoying the session, guys? Getting these questions? Getting these questions? Okay. Now, the activities of a project are given below along with the duration and dependencies. A duration, B duration, C duration, D duration, E duration and dependencies. Of course, A and B has no dependencies. These will be the first of the activities, and total float we have to find out. Now we can make it here. Guys. A and B are the first one, na? A of 10 days and B of 12 days are the first one. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Now C has dependency on A. So C, which is of 5 days, has dependency on A. And after that, D has dependency on B. Okay. D has dependency on B. So from here, if this is D, it is depending on B. It is of 14 days. Okay. There is E also. E has dependency on B and C both. Oh my god. E has dependency on B and C both. So we have to make it here. Now this will be E. This is how much? 10 days. And this has dependency on B and C both. So to avoid the grammatical error, we have to make a dummy like this. Understood? Understood, everyone? So we have to find out now total float. We have to find out the total float. Yes? So let us start from here 0 days. So here will be reaching 10 and here will be reaching 15 and here will be reaching 12 and 12 plus dummy is 0. So we will be writing the higher value, na? 15. Okay. 15 plus 10 is 25 and from here 12 plus 4 is 26. So we will be writing the higher value, that is 26. That is 26. So this yellow color I am writing TE. From yellow color I am writing TE. Now from green color I will be writing TL. To start with, if nothing is given, so I will be taking this 26. So if this has to be finished by latest in 26 days and this is taking 14 days. This is taking 14 days. So this we have to start latest by 12 days. And from this way, if this is, we have to start latest for 26 days, we have to reach here and this is taking 10 days. So we can start here in the 16th day also. We can start here in the 16th day also. Okay. But if we start here from 16th day, then 16 plus 14 we will be reaching here 30 days. So it should not be 16, it should be 12. Now here we have to reach in the 16 day latest. Latest we have to reach here 16 days and this is taking 5 days. So here we can start from the 11th day also. Here we have to reach by 12 days and this is taking 12 days. So we have to start here from the 0 day. No other chance. Although on the first day if I start here, I can reach here in the 11th day. But I will not be reaching here. So both the condition has to be satisfied. Okay. So what they are asking, the total float of the activity E. For the activity E. For the activity E, what is the total float? What is the total float for activity E? Tell me. You can do LST minus EST. Latest start time minus earliest start time. That is 16 minus, or that is 16 minus 15 is equal to 1 day. For activity E, 16 latest start time minus earliest start time. 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. There are various methods to calculate for activity E. This is coming out to be 1 day. 1 day. Have you understood, everyone? Please confirm. Please confirm, everyone. Everyone, please. Okay, great. Enjoying the session? Enjoying the session? We have more questions, guys. All the students who are preparing for 26 and 27, they can take our course. You can download the on Play Store. You can download Resultant Civil app. Resultant Civil app you can download from the Play Store. You will be getting live plus recording classes, study notes of every subject, PYQ of every subject, workbook of every subject that you can download for lifetime. Workbook, notes of every subject, workbook, PYQ, formula book you can download for lifetime. Test series and live plus recording classes. Okay? You can download the Resultant Civil app from the Play Store. Now this is a MSQ now. This is a MSQ now. Let me see who can hit it. First of all, calculate TE here. So 4 into 3, 12, plus 5, 17, plus 1, 18. 18 by 6 will be 3. Correct? What is TE here? 10 into 4, 40, 52, 56 by 6, 9.33. And TE value here will be 9.67. Now what is the standard deviation? TP minus T naught by 6, 4 by 6. 4 by 6 will be 0.67. What is the standard deviation here? 12 minus 4 by 6 will be 1.33. And standard deviation here is equal to 12 minus 6 by 6 will be equal to 1. Okay. So what is the total time? It is in series. So 3 plus 9.33 plus 9.67. This value comes to be 22 days. This value comes to be 22 days. So and sigma, when 3 sigmas are there, what is the net sigma? Is under root of 0.67 square plus 1.33 square plus 1 square. This sigma value is coming to be 1.79. And what is this? Is standard deviation. But they have asked proportional variation. What is proportional variation? Anyone of you knows? Anyone of you know what is proportional variation? Proportional variance is 1.79, whatever the net sigma is coming, upon TE. Upon T. This is called proportional variation, which is coming to be 0.081. So A will be correct. A will be correct. Now what is range? What from the graph now, bell-shaped graph, what is range? It is TE plus minus 3 sigma. So TE minus 3 sigma is 22 minus 3 into 1.79 to 22 plus 3 into 1.79. Please check, this is coming 16.63. This is the range now, that bell-shaped curve, to 27.37. B is also correct. Standard deviation we have already correct. Find out. So answer will be A, B, C. Answer will be A, B, C. Everyone give me yes or no? Everyone please give me yes or no? Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Now this is MSQ. Again, you can calculate T and the longest critical path. You can calculate TE for all and the longest. This we have done already many times. What does the critical path in the PERT represents? What does the critical part? Yes, Anant Manjan, everyone, Chetu, Sakshi. What is the critical part in PERT represents? It is the longest path and shortest path before which it cannot be completed. It is the longest path also ओके, एंड इज द शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ, इससे कम में नहीं हो पाएगा. लाइक श्रिंकेज लिमिट ना, दैट इज द मिनिमम, that is the maximum water content below which on drying the weight the volume doesn't decrease, and it is the minimum water content also at which saturation is 1. Okay, if an activity on the critical path takes longer time than anticipated, then what will happen? Will kill the project leader. Tell me please. They will be having more slack na. Okay, activities not on the critical path have more slack. Okay, so more resources are utilized in those activities which are not critical path. Then only there is more slack na. Then only there is more slack na. That means you are not using your resources in optimum way. To other paths which are not critical paths, you are giving more resources. Then only they are having more slack na. Okay, and by readjusting you may have additional or multiple critical paths when you readjust this. Okay, so thank you guys everyone, or for the gate 2026 we have a new batches, live plus recorded classes will be there, study notes, pyq question bank, doubt session, test series, everything will be there guys. Okay, you can follow us on Instagram as well. This PDF I'm sharing now on my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. You can join that. Okay, thank you everyone guys, thank you all, take care everyone. For any doubt please connect us. Thank you.